I've been told I make a mean butternut squash chili, so today we're gonna make that happen. This is like the best chili I've ever had. I make it every week. I'm Allison with Simple Fantastic Kitchen. Let's get started. Put your burner on medium-high. In a large stock pot, add your ingredients, starting with 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 pounds of ground turkey. Now we put our spices in, 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, 2 teaspoons of ground coriander, 1/4 cup of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast, 1/4 cup of chia seeds, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. You mix it all up. You want to make sure all the spices are completely coated on the meat. Then you cover the pot and let the meat completely cook through, maybe about 10 minutes or so. You can keep stirring the meat as you go. It's looking really good. Now we add 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. And you mix that in really well. A little more olive oil, 1 chopped onion, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic chopped. Now mix that up. Now we add 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Now we add 1 to 2 butternut squash, peeled, seeded, and cut into roughly 1/2-inch cubes. A 1-pound bag of frozen tricolor pepper strips. A 1-pound bag of frozen chopped spinach. You're going to cover it, let the vegetables melt down a little bit. Now we add 1 15-and-a-half-ounce can of drained kidney beans, 1 15-and-a-half-ounce can of drained black beans, 1 can of Great Northern beans, 15-and-a-half ounces, drained, 2 cans of green chilies, now we add 8 ounces of sliced baby Bella mushrooms. Stir everything up. 4 bay leaves. Now we're going to take some chicken stock. You're going to use almost the entire box, which is 32 ounces. It's 1 quart. Basically, you're going to look at the fill line that we have here, and you're not going to want to overfill the pot. So this is about as much as we can do right here. And then you just get it nicely stirred in. Then you're going to turn up the heat. You're going to bring it to a boil. So now we're just going to let it simmer for about an hour. Then you cover the pot. You just want to make sure the butternut squash is tender. While we wait for the chili, I would absolutely love it if you would give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. We do so many fun things over here. We do travel food vlogs. We go to really fun places. We also do kitchen product reviews of some really fun stuff. And of course, we do recipes and how-tos. By the way, it's a very good idea to stir the butternut squash chili midway through. As you can see, the butternut squash is super tender. I just cut it in half cleanly. It was just so easy to do it. This chili is ready. Just make sure you remove the bay leaves before you serve the chili. That's always good practice. Let's serve the chili. This is one of the few things that you don't need to add salt to. It is perfect as is. Although I have to say there is some salt that is in the chili powder that I get. I do add pepper at the end though. This is so good. This is like the best chili that I've ever had. I make it all the time. I make it every week. I love this chili so much. It is so nutritious, super high in protein, so much fiber, so many vegetables in here. The butternut squash just melts in your mouth. This chili is so great for meal prep. You can freeze it in individual Tupperware containers. You can defrost it, or you can put it in the microwave from frozen. About 10 minutes or so. You want to stir it in the middle. The flavor remains even when you freeze it and then reheat it. It is so good. It is so delicious. I cannot wait for you to try this. The full recipe is in the description below, as well as all of the products that I'm using today. So if you want to check them out, you can see them down below. If you want to catch some more really fun videos, you can go right here.
See you on the next one.